Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back and visiting me. Go ahead, grab a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. I'm so hungry, I'm just going to jump right in. Now this is no 10 taco challenge, but it is a homemade taco and I'm only going to eat 2 because that is what my belly can hold, okay? And on these tacos we have ground turkey. Don't tell my family. And we have onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, salsa, and jalapenos. And we also have chives. My family's behind me eating their dinner. I'm here with you. Ooh, those chives though. Can you see that? This is delicious. All I'm missing is some sour cream. The onion and the cheese. So good. My family don't know I use ground turkey as an alternative to ground beef. Half the time, can't tell. Yummy. Did I tell you I have both tomatoes and salsa in here? Both white onions and chives in here. Lettuce and cheese in here.
Baby, do look at my plate real fast. Leave all the baby. Leave all alone. Leave all alone. Eat your food. Don't move your butt.
Can you hear Brooklyn calling me in the background? Thank you guys for spending this 5 minutes with me. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. I have to go tend to my child. And until next time, you guys.